I know it's been a while since I posted my last video, and I'm sorry about that. But in my defense, I've moved for the third time within a year, and starting out, my studio has been a hole in the ground. No, literally. Let me show you. Here we go, sorry. Admittedly, it's a nice hole in the ground, but a bit of insulation from the Danish weather was needed. A spot of concrete to stand on, a wall to hold the roof, and all the other stuff carpenters insist should be there. We had some tiles left over from the house, so I thought they would do well here. The vise and the sledgehammer are just for size comparison. I have at times been laughed at for the number of power sockets I installed, but we all know that you can't have too many power sockets in a workshop. The overall dimensions of the workshop, about 40 square meters, came from the space left on our lot, and with the walls up, it was time to do some interior design. I went through quite a few number of concepts, but decided on a two-chamber design, where the workshop is separated into a dusty wood cutting and metal grinding area, separated by a door from my electronics and goldsmithing areas. With that in place, a wall and a door were put in, shelving was built, my stuff arrived, and then it was time to build the new bench. I have made the bench a double, so I can have one of the kids or a guest in the studio without giving up my own seat. Then, as they sing in the Muppet Show, it's time to light the lights. I bought a set of video lights and made a wall fixture for them so they can be easily moved around or brought on excursions. After that, it was time to install the rolling mill, the pendant motor, find a place for the anvil, the new gas forge, and all my other tools. Fume extraction is one of the things that is needed for soldering, casting, enamel work, etc. And I was lucky enough to get one from a previous employer who was closing down an electronics workshop. The idea is that it will go through the wall to the studio as well, but that will have to wait for now. So now that all of that is in order, let me take you for a tour. With the workshop in place, I'll be getting back to making videos. There'll be more men's jewelry, more tool making, more silversmithing, but I also used my absence to take a course in enameling, so there will be that. I have talked to Jeff from the Veg Oil Guide channel, and we're going to make some projects together. If you're planning to build your own vacuum casting equipment or interested in casting 3D printed things, you should go check out his channel. Finally, I'll throw in some more blacksmithing with Jesper and stone cutting with Jonas, so please subscribe. And with a view to the little rabbit, thanks for watching.